Da, da, da. Hello and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. This is very special. This is a book, though I don't read, from Checked It Out, Chicago. Don't look at my address because it's my address and I don't want you to know where I live. But you see it? Ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba. We're gonna open this puppy up, okay? I don't have anything to open it up. Mother fricker. Okay. Okay, gotta be very careful. This is not the way you should open this, but you know, finger. Ow, ow. Okay, I got it, yeah. Oh yeah. Got some stickers. But look at, it's hefty. It's hefty, it weighs. It weighs. Ooh. 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 This is nice. This is really nice. Okay. Well done, boys. Well done. Let's we'll give you a It's a good size. It's a good weight. You get that? You get that? Number 69. I'm a dork. I like the gloss. The gloss is good. The gloss is glossy. Oh, look, a puppy. Adam and the boys at Checked It Out and Auto Arts, thank you so much for putting together this awesome book. And thank you, Adam, for sending me an early copy of it. It's well done, and I can't wait to look at it some more. So thank you very much. So that was another episode of What's in the Box with me, yours truly, Keith. If you forgot my name, it is Keith. You guys have a great day. I'm gonna elevator out this mother trucker. Bing! I don't know what.